Hello, welcome back to English Speaking with Oliswa. If it is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. So today we have this text that we need to complete. So it's just a small exercise that we can do together just to make sure that everyone understands their verb forms or their tenses. Okay, so it says complete the text with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. So the verbs in brackets, they are written in bold, meaning they are written in big font. They are easy to see. Okay, let's start with number one. Last year I go on holiday to France. Last year I go on holiday to France. So what do we change go to? So what I first want us to look at is, I would like for us to look at this part. So I would like us to look at last year. So what does last year tell us? It tells us that this happened at a specific time in the past. So this is something that happened and it's now gone. So it happened last year. So go, what does go change to? So if now it tells us that it's the past simple tense. So what does go change to? So go becomes went. I went on holiday to France. Last year I went on holiday to France. Let us go to number two. We drive them. So again, drive, it's our verb in brackets. So now remember, going back to the first two words of this text, last year. So what does drive change to? Drove. So the past tense of drive is drove. We drove them, which took a long time, but it be good because. So be, what is the past participle or past form of be? But it was good. So be changes to was, but it was good because we see. Remember, past tense. What is the past tense of see? We saw. We saw a lot of beautiful countryside on the way. We saw a lot of beautiful countryside on the way. We stayed in a lovely house, which so what is the past tense of have? So before we continue, another thing that tells us that it was in the past in the sentence is the word stayed. So stayed is in the stayed is in the past tense. So we stay present, stayed past tense. So what is the past tense of have? So we had a really big swimming pool. Every day we get up late. So in the past we got up late. So we got up late. Let us continue to the next one. And past of spend, and spend all day in the sun, and spent all day in the sun. We eat fantastic food too. So what is the past tense of eat? In the past we ate. So in the past we ate. Almost sounds like 8, the number. In the past we ate fantastic food too. I would like to go to the same place again next year. Okay, now let us just read this passage again with the correct answers. Last year I went on holiday to France. We drove there, which took a long time, but it was good because we saw a lot of beautiful countryside on the way. We stayed in a lovely house which had a really big swimming pool. Every day we got up late and spent all day in the sun. We ate fantastic food too. I would like to go to the same place again next year. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you would like to add anything, please leave them down below. If you were confused about something, you can also leave that down below. If you have not done so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.